Remember the days when riding the snowmobile trails meant cold, numb hands? Or not having a reverse gear? Serious riders wouldn't dream of striking out without hand warmers, and reverse makes snowmobiling so much more enjoyable. They are no longer a luxury, they are now standard equipment. Introducing Retrax, the snowmobile industry's new standard piece of equipment. Retrax is a patented retractable wheel system for snowmobiles. It is easily retrofitted to the skis of almost any snowmobile. Retrax is easily operated with the push of a button or a simple lever action. Retrax dramatically increases the maneuverability and accessibility of the sled. It allows full steering capability on hard surfaces, parking lots, garage floors, highway crossings, and gas station lots. Getting to any location with paved surfaces, service dealers, restaurants, or hotels is simple with Retrax. Once you've tried Retrax, you'll find it is essential. No more pushing, pulling, or yanking sleds into and out of trailers. With simple modifications to your snowmobile trailer, your Retrax system will operate flawlessly. No more scarred paved driveways or garage floors with ski marks. Retrax will remove the inconvenience of snowmobiling, making it 100% more enjoyable. Retrax is easily retrofitted to the skis of almost any new or used snowmobile. Retrofitting one ski on this snowmobile with our manual system only took minutes, as you can see on this time-lapsed video. The automatic push-button system will take your mechanics slightly longer, with your enjoyment lasting many seasons. Every driver, from women and men to seniors, can easily maneuver Retrax. With just a push of a button, the automatic Retrax system engages and gets you on your way. The manual system just takes a few seconds to engage, as you can see on this time-lapsed video. The Retrax system will save components of your sled, carbides, tracks, belts, and skis, because they will no longer have contact with hard surfaces. The maintenance savings alone will easily pay for the Retrax system. The patented Retrax system is extremely durable, made from the highest quality metals that will easily last the life of your sled. Perhaps the most appealing aspect of the Retrax system is added convenience. The days of slipping across the highway are over. The days of straining backs while loading are over. With the Retrax system, your sled can go anywhere, with or without the white stuff. When it's time to store your snowmobile, there's nothing like the patented kickstand from Retrax. The kickstand, mounted at the rear coupled with Retrax wheels mounted to your skis, allow you to maneuver your snowmobile in your storage area easily. Imagine moving your heavy snowmobile this easily. Now you can tuck your snowmobile in the tightest spots without the strain. The revolutionary products from Retrax. Soon, an entire industry will wonder, how did we live without them?